What are you doing?
If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, then y'all would see I'm smiling.
She's grumpy. My Red Nose Day 2013 thing also came in the post today, so that's good. Ah, it's empty. Just put this back for the first time in ages. I love Zeke Tart. It's so amazing. Malachi, it was amazing. This is amazing. What are you gonna do? Can't wait to show you guys a new video. I can't show you a title now. It's that basketball video me and Brittany made. I can't show you it because it's only Thursday and it's not Faces Friday yet. I can't show the title or anything. The only giveaway I can give you is it's a basketball video and there's the thumbnail. But yeah, I have had a rather long day. I've been confused all day thinking it was a Friday, but it's really a Thursday because I'm off school tomorrow because it is a teacher training day. My school's weird and usually people have teacher training days after the actual holidays, but my school's weird and they have it before. And I'm going to say something very specific now. I am very, very dissatisfied. In my vlog 4 days ago, stupid hiccups, I specifically said because I had the word hiccup in the title and I was talking about hiccups, it was going to get a major amount of views. Yeah. You can't see it, but that is 205 views. And somebody commented on it saying, "Hehe, you're cute. Do you get them often?" Why won't you people leave me alone? Everybody has hiccups. I mean, what's so special about hiccups? People have some sort of strange obsession with hiccups. Why? Why do people have a obsession with hiccups? When I made Lonely Hiccups, people were commenting on it going, "Oh yeah, would you like to enter my hiccuping competition?" Why the hell would I spend my time entering a hiccup competition? What is this world coming to? They're going to ask me to enter a how many hairs can you grow on your arm competition next. Why would I want to enter a hiccuping competition? You get hiccups because of some sort of hiccustomy. That's probably something about removing a penis or something. Anyway, why? Out of all of the things on the earth, you pick hiccups to do a competition about. It can at least be a sensible competition, like, show me your collection of t-shirts or something. I don't know, anything. Okay, video competition, video festival. The Oscars are coming up soon, did you know that? But, Jesus, 205 views in one day just because I put the word hiccup in the fricking title. It's not funny, it's not fair, it's not fair on me. I don't mind getting loads of views, okay, I honestly don't mind. But when it's something, right, constantly, when I say the word hiccup, I said the word hiccup. Now watch this video, get as many views as possible. Why hiccups? Everything else is perfectly hiccups. Why? everything else on the earth and you pick Hiccups. If I put Hiccups in the tags, why are you searching up videos to do with Hiccups? Are you on the weird part of YouTube? Yeah, I think you are if you're watching my videos, but Hiccups. Why? Please, God, why? Why? Just went into the comment section of my old Lonely Hiccups thing. Do you want me to read the comments to you? Apparently I have pretty eyes. Let me look into the light. There, my eyes. Okay. I'm a fun person. Funny face. Serious face. Anyway. Apparently, OMG, you have beautiful eyes, honey. How long did those hiccups last? Lol. Okay, so my hiccups lasted about 20 minutes. I have some hiccuping problem. Somebody else posted, nice hiccups, post more. I don't choose to have hiccups. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to disappoint everyone, but I do not choose to have hiccups. They just randomly come. So I turn on the camera. Because that's what I do every day. I just can't get over the fact. Hiccups. Really? Hiccups? God, no. And now because I'm going to name this video something like Hiccups, it's going to get loads of views. So if you are looking at this video just because it has the word hiccup in it, please leave a comment below saying, I watched this video because I like hiccups. Tell me about your hiccup obsession and tell me how you're going to stop it. I should make a video on my main channel about how to stop hiccup addiction. It's worse than smoking now. It's a very serious thing. Make a charity about it. Stopping the hiccups. Anyway guys, I've had enough of hiccups, and if I continue talking about it now, I'm going to get them myself, and then I'm just not even going to say anything ever again. I mean, what happens if I called it burping, and I was burping the entire... That's disgusting! Okay, I'm going to stop now because I'm making myself feel bad inside, and I'm making this vlog look terrible, even though I make it look terrible anyway by just having me in it. Anyway guys, I'm going to be going now, so TTFN.